Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is So look at board to check our today's topic. It is make sentences. I repeat, it is make sentences 1 to 12 in our revision segment. I repeat, it is make sentences 1 to 12 in our revision segment. Dear learners, look here. This is our lecture number 20 and SW number, homework number 14 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 20 and homework number 14 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students of class 3, in your first revision class, you have learned word meaning, all the word meaning. That means Arif sir has taken your class. Inshallah, from today, I myself, Abul Kalam sir, will take your or will conduct your English literature class. In our today's class, we have in the revision segment, make sentences 1 to 12. In your regular classes, you have learned make sentences 1 to 15. So, in these connections, I request all of my students of class 3 to look at board to revise. So, look here, here it is written, make sentences with the following words. Number 1, I have given here 12 make sentences. So, look here 1 to 12. Here also it is written make sentences 1 to 12 in our revision segment. This is our second revision class. I have already told you. Make sentences with the following words. Number 1, wrong. W-R-O-N-G. So, look at the make sentences with the word wrong. The little girl had done something wrong. I repeat, the little girl had done something wrong. Now, number 2, it is television. Look at the word, what is television? The siren or the whistle was coming from the television. Look, the siren was coming from the television. All of my students, I request you must put full stop at the end of the sentence. So, look here, in the end of a sentence you must put full stop, otherwise the sentence will be wrong. Now, 3 number, brown. The grass was always dry and brown. I repeat, the grass was always dry and brown. 4 number, the word travel. The animals traveled for many days and nights. I repeat, the animals traveled. Look at the word traveled. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D. Traveled for many days and nights. 5 number, it is return. Look at the word, it is return. The sky omen. So, look, sky omen, it is written sky capital letter and omen W capital also. You will also write in your homework, sky omen returned with 3 small bags. So, look here, the sky omen returned with 3 small bags. Number 6, scary. Look here, it is scary. The dark forest seemed scary. So, look here, number 6, scary. The dark forest seemed scary. Number 7, reply. So, look here, number 7 is reply. Amit was too shocked to reply. I repeat, number 7, reply. Amit was too shocked to reply. Number 8, loudly. So, look at the word loudly. The boy began to cry loudly. Number 8, it is loudly. The boy began to cry loudly. Number 9, reward. Look at the word, it is reward. The poor man got his reward at last. Number 10, it is survive. Look, the word is survive. He managed to survive in the cold water. Number 11, it is ruler. Look at the word, it is ruler. The king was a beloved ruler. The last word, it is dismiss. 12th number word is dismissed. Look at the make sentences with the word dismiss. The king dismissed his ministers. I repeat, the king dismissed his ministers. Dear learners, look at the end of our book. It is written homework. This is our 14 number homework 1-4. Make sentences 1 to 8. So look here, in our revised class we have revised 1 to 20. So look here, 1 to 12. I repeat, in our revision class we have revised 1 to 12 make sentences, but in our homework segment we have 1 to 8. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means up to 8. The word loudly, the boy began to cry loudly. Up to 1 to 8 you will do your SW. Dear learners, one important things. This is the make sentences I have given you, or in your regular classes you have learned. But one important thing is that you can prepare yourself. That means you can make sentences by yourself, but you have to, I repeat, but you have to write grammatically correct sentences. I repeat, you have a choice to make or to prepare sentences by yourself, but you have to write grammatically correct sentences. Dear learners, another important things, in our previous SW segment I checked your SW, but I am very much dissatisfied. I am very much unhappy to tell you, most of the students of class 3 are making or have made a lot of mistakes in writing your SW. No, this is not the characteristics or the good characteristics of a students. Please write your SW properly, and finally abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.